Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we are going to make this beautiful dress using craft paper. So let's get started. First we are going to fold this pink craft paper and make the collar. Now keep it aside. Take another printed craft paper, make multiple folds like this and put the collar inside, and look, your top is ready. Now we are going to make the skirt. So make multiple fold on this craft paper. Here we are going to make the pleats. So fold it like we are doing here and again fold it into half and slide it like this and open the pleats and put both of them together, and look, it's ready. We are going to fold this square craft paper from its diagonals. Again fold it into half and make 3 folds from its horizontal and vertical side. Now we are going to press it and make a box like this. Now keep it aside and press it, and we are also making the handles. So fold this strip of paper, paste all of them, paste sticker, and look, it's ready. Here we are going to fold the paper from its diagonals and mark lines like we are doing here using a pencil. Now fold it till the line, and after this flip it and again fold it from its sides like we are doing here. Gently we are going to make folds like this. Here we are going to make the boxes. Now we are going to make 2 compartments as well. So we are going to make another box and paste both of them together, paste a sticker, and look, it's ready. So we are going to fold this printed craft paper from its sides and again fold it into half. Now we are going to open it and again give shape from its top and bottom part. Now we are going to twist it and give it a shape of heart. We are going to open the faux paper like this and make many folds from the top, and look, it is ready. We are going to make 3 folds and make a triangular shape like this. Now gently press it from its corners and tuck the paper inside, and look, it's ready. Now let's make the box of the container. So we are going to fold the paper like this, open all of them and start folding it from its side. Tuck the paper inside like we're doing here, and look, it's ready. Close it and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share with your friends.